What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got another great one from ESR. We are no strangers to ESR here, and we've reviewed quite a few other products before, including iPad cases. But the cool thing about this one is it's actually a bit more useful than your average all-in-one case. In this case, it happens to be detachable. So you're able to use a detachable keyboard and move the iPad away, keep the screen further away from you so it's easier for viewing, or even on display for others to view while you use the keyboard itself. And then you can go ahead and snap it in when you do plan to use it. So very cool stuff. And there's actually a bundle right now which we're going to be utilizing and checking out, that actually comes with the digital pencil as well. Now, this digital pencil is compatible with the iPad, obviously, but it also has a really interesting feature in that it supports Find My Eye. So what this will allow you to do is you just open up the Apple Find My app, and you can locate the pen wherever it is. So it works just like one of those Apple tags as well. So very cool. You never have to worry about losing your digital stylus or anything, so that's always nice. Speaking of the stylus, if we go ahead and open that up, you'll see that this is the black version, and we also own the white version, which I reviewed on my channel before. So if you want to learn more about this pen specifically, definitely check out my video on that. But we're basically given a very easy to use thin stylus, and you're able to take off the nub here and replace it very, very easily just by screwing them on and off. And they give you quite a few replacement nubs as well, which I'll show you here. So we have 3 replacements and a charging cable, which thankfully not only is it magnetic and will snap onto the side of your device, but it also has a built-in USB-C adapter. Despite this being super, super tiny, you can actually plug this in and charge it. So if we pull out this plastic nub here, you'll see the USB-C port. We just plug that in and you can charge it from there. Very, very easy. But what everyone came for, let's take a look at the case and keyboard. So we're given a very long USB-C to C cable to charge this up. And we simply lift the device from here, and you'll see that it turns into a stand. When we push back down, it closes, and that's all magnetized as well. So it actually snaps itself into place using those magnets, which is pretty cool to see. I've never seen that specific mechanism before, but it seems to work pretty well. If we open up the keyboard or case, we're given some instructions here. And to turn it on, all you have to do is hold the power button for 2 seconds and it will turn on. If you want to pair it, you hold the function and the B for Bluetooth button. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. We'll hold function, which is the world icon, and B. And once you hold that for 3 seconds, the light will start blinking, and that lets you know it's in pairing mode. Then you just jump on your iPad and connect it. Easy as that, just like any other Bluetooth device. So let's go ahead and grab an iPad here, and we're just going to place this into the case and see how seamless the experience is. Easy enough. There is a slot up here, which is very interesting, for the pen itself. So we can actually drop this inside and it fits perfectly. That's a really nice feature as well. And to accomplish this, they actually had to extend the buttons up to the top. So you can see here that even though the top of it has room for a pen, they've enabled throughput, so you can still push the buttons on top and it will reach down to the device below. So that's pretty cool to see. Let's go ahead and turn this on and get it connected. And immediately in Bluetooth settings, we can see the ESR Flex keyboard as well as the ESR Geo Digital Pencil. So let's go ahead and connect those to it. And just like that, we're able to use both the mouse and the keyboard here if we want to type. So very, very cool. Works as expected. Very, very slimline case design here, but it does have that faux leather backing and the TPS plastic, not rubber, TPS plastic on the case itself, and some protections for the screen as well with these rubber corners. So very nice stuff from ESR as usual. For the main event, let's go ahead and check this out. One, it closes as you'd expect into a folio, but let's say I'm showing this off to someone, we can actually still use the keyboard remotely or wirelessly because it's completely detachable. We only need to connect it to actually charge the device while it's connected, but we can of course just disconnect it and use it as needed. So very useful, very functional, and I definitely recommend you check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.